In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to activate your EBT card in Massachusetts. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Activating an EBT card that you have acquired through the Massachusetts government website or phone number is extremely simple. As you can see, they are going to list all of the requirements that you have to go through, all of the steps on the website, and you will be able to receive your card. Assuming that you have already received the card and it is ready to activate, which is what I'm going to go over in this video, all that you have to do is locate the phone number on the back of your EBT card. It should be a 1-800 number, usually 800-997-2555. And as long as you call this specific number, you will be able to follow the prompts. The hotline is available in 8 languages, and you will likely need to enter your full EBT card number, which contains 18 digits during the call. Once prompted, create your PIN, and this is going to be the password that you will input every time you use your EBT card. So remember this PIN for future purchases. As you can see, the number is also listed here. So once you call the number on the back of your card, which should be this one, 1-800-997-2555, you will be able to follow the steps, set up the PIN, and afterwards it is going to be ready to activate. Now, some things to keep in mind. If you received a PEBT card, which is the pandemic EBT, the activation process might differ slightly. The instructions that I listed before should work, but some sources recommend following the information provided with the PEBT card instead if you get any discrepancies. And do not enter your social security number. While entering your card number, be aware that some automated prompts might ask for the last 4 digits of your social security number. This is incorrect for the EBT card activation, and you should only disregard that prompt and follow the instructions listed. I hope I was able to help you on how to activate EBT card in Massachusetts. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.